What's going on YouTube? Just want to do a really quick video on how to fix the elephant print on a Jordan 3 rep. Now the reps on the Jordan 3s are not perfect by any means, but they're getting better. As you can tell, I've sanded down this section of the elephant print in comparison. You can see how the lines are much smaller. Now all you're going to do is take some 100 grit and you're just going to sand up along the edges. And if you press it like this, sometimes you can get in these grooves a little bit better. And that's about it. As you can see, let's see, right around here, I sanded a little bit too much. These are a pair that I don't really care about, but as you can see, if you sand too much, you will take off the lines. To me, I don't really care too much. Right here, you can just tell the difference a little bit more. I really like that look right there in comparison to this. So all you're gonna do is take some 100 grit, wipe it down, maybe about 15 strokes, and you should be able to get that result right there. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Peace.